Hello dear students. Today we are going to learn about demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. Have you ever said, "This book is mine" or "Those are my shoes"? If yes, then you have already used demonstratives. So today we are going to learn about demonstrative pronouns, demonstrative adjectives, what is the difference between them, and some examples which you can use in everyday life. So let's begin with what are demonstrative. The words this, that, these, and those are called demonstratives. They point out specific people, places, animals, or things. There's a quick rule that this and that are used for singular and these and those are used for plural. Another one is a distance rule, which is this and these are used to point out the things which are near to us, while that and those are used to point out the things which are far from us. For example, this pen, that pen, these pens, those pens. Now do you see? This pen means the pen is near to me. That pen means the pen is far from me. These pens means the pens are near to me. Those pens means the pens are far from me. Now let's move on towards demonstrative pronouns. A demonstrative pronouns replaces a noun. For example, I like this, may I have that, these are beautiful, those belong to Ali. Notice that noun is not mentioned because the pronoun replaces it. Let's move on towards demonstrative adjectives. A demonstrative adjective comes before a noun and describes it. For example, I like this book. May I have that pen? These flowers smell lovely. Those houses are expensive. So, there's an easy trick to remember the difference between them. Ask yourself a question. If there's a noun after the demonstrative, if yes, then it will be a demonstrative adjective. If no, then it will be a demonstrative pronoun. For example, this book, those students. In these examples, this and those are demonstrative adjectives because they are followed by a noun. In the examples, this is mine, those are beautiful, this and those are demonstrative pronouns because they are not followed by a noun. Thank you.